Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a hobo bag. First, you want to start by removing as many wrinkles as you can. This material feels like a wet bed sheet and it creases up, and those creases will show in your final results, so do the best you can. Or, once you're done spinning it out, get to tying it right away. This one sat around in a pile and it kind of dried out. So I'm using a modified fork and the microwave splatter guard to create my spiral. So you want to give the fork a couple of twists, and then with your opposite hand you create the spiral. And you just want to go as far as you can using the microwave splatter guard until you can't go any farther. You want to hold down the center of the spiral and gently wiggle the fork out. And then for this project, I'm using my second favorite rubber bands. This is a little bit of a smaller spiral, so they're the perfect size for this. Real quick, I was in my Facebook group and I saw a post, and I'm deeply disturbed by it. So somebody had their feelings hurt, and I don't appreciate it. And it's really important that you guys report this stuff to me so that I can take care of it. I have created the group to be a safe haven for dyers of all skill levels to be there to share their work and learn from one another. And so if you're in the group just to be nasty, I don't want you there, and you don't need to be there. There's so many tie-dye groups on Facebook. You can go and give your nasty opinion somewhere else. So if you guys see rude behavior, please report it to me. And if you want to join the group and be a positive influence on other people, the link for it is down below in the description box. I would love to have you if you want to be there and be nice. So just read the rules, accept the rules, I'll let you in, and we can all have fun making tie-dye together. Using a washable marker, I mark out my pattern. Even though most of the time I don't follow what I mark on there, it just helps me stay on track and I know what my original plan is. Now it's time for the fun part, and my favorite part. We get to add the dye. So my inspiration for this one was taken from a package of Starbursts. I was just munching away on that chewy deliciousness, and I was looking at the wrappers thinking, this would make some beautiful tie-dye. It's been my experience when working with orange, all of the orange, it has a tendency to want to take over a project. So for this one, I'm going light-handed with my dye, and I'm also making my pie pieces smaller than my hot pink and my citrus yellow. Another thing to keep in mind when you're working with these warm colors like this, so when the yellow and the red meet, in this case the hot pink and the citrus yellow, they're also going to create orange. Yellow is one of those colors that always disappears on me. Do you guys have that same experience? So I'm making sure to really get a nice layer of the yellow on it, and I'm using the back of the spoon to really make sure to spread it on there nice and neat, and I'll even take the tip of the spoon to sort of try to help get some of the yellow down in between the pleats. Next, I give the project a quick little sprinkle of soda ash for good measure, and I add my ice. And I just like to fill up the silicone cake molds till they're nice and full. And then I put the lid on it, and I took it outside, and I let the project batch for the full 48 hours. But it's recommended that you let your project batch at 70 degrees or higher for at least 24 hours after the ice melts. It's been 48 hours and now it's time for the rinse out. So you want to start by using cold water. That's going to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fabric, and then increase your water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. From here, I like to take it to the washing machine, and I like to do hot water cycles using Kirillon. That is a professional textile detergent that I get from Dharma Trading Company. And then I like to do a final hot water cycle using Millsoft. And Millsoft is a professional fabric softener that I also get from Dharma Trading Company. And I do have links down below in the description box for both of those, along with everything else that I use for tie-dye, so make sure you check that out. And then I'll put it in the dryer, and I'll iron it, and we'll come back and we'll see the results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our Hobo bag, and I think Donna looks so cute wearing it. These bags are really fun and easy to dye. They take the dye very well, and it's a lightweight cotton. The canvas bags are a total pain in the neck. These, not so much. I like them a lot. So here's the up-close photographs, and it's not really showing up so much in the pictures, but if you were standing here in my living room, you could see the little crinkles in the fabric like I was trying to explain to you. But doesn't this remind you guys of Starbursts? Like the hot pink, where it didn't totally break down, is the red and the cherry, and then the hot pink is the strawberry flavor, and then yellow is the lemon flavor, and then the orange is orange. And I think I nailed it. So what do you guys think? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing!